Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the MySQL Shutdown unexpectedly error. First, I'll start by launching Apache, and as you can see, it has started successfully. However, when I attempt to start MySQL, it gives us the error message. Error, MySQL Shutdown unexpectedly. This issue generally occurs due to two main reasons. Either your MySQL data has become corrupted, or the default port 3306 is currently being used by another application. In my setup, I've installed both my SQL Workbench and XAMPP Server, both of which try to use the default MySQL port 3306. Since this port is already occupied by the MySQL Server or MySQL Workbench, it becomes unavailable. To fix this, I'll change the port from 3306 to 3308. I'll edit the configuration file and save the changes by pressing Ctrl+S. Once saved, I'll close the file. Next, we need to make adjustments in another configuration file. To do this, I'll go to the config folder, navigate back to the root folder, and search for PHP MyAdmin. In this folder, I'll locate and open the config.inc.php file by right-clicking on it and selecting Open with Notepad. Now, I'll scroll down, copy a line with Ctrl+C, and paste it below using Ctrl+V. This time, instead of the connection type, I'll specify port here. Instead of using TCP, I'll replace it with the updated port number, which is 3308. I'll then save the changes by pressing Ctrl+S and close this file. Now I'll go back, restart Apache, and try to start MySQL again. This time, as you can see, MySQL has started successfully and is using port 3308. To verify, I'll open my browser and type localhost to access the XAMPP dashboard. From here, I'll navigate to PHP MyAdmin, which is our MySQL database management tool. Now that PHP MyAdmin is open, we can create databases as needed. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel, so I can keep making more videos like this.